Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Yodogawa River Park. Yodogawa River Park is a large national park that spreads along the riverbed of the Yodo River, which flows through Osaka City. It stretches from Fukushima Ward in Osaka all the way upstream to Oyamazaki Town in Kyoto Prefecture. This is a surprisingly large area. The park is divided into several districts such as Juso, Nishinakajima, and Hirakata. Each district has its own sports and leisure facilities, including baseball fields, soccer fields, fortunating plaza, and play area. You can enjoy many different activities here. Some people take a relaxing walk while looking at the wide flow of the Yodo River. Others go jogging or cycling. You will also see families having picnics or barbecues on the large grassy lawns. In spring, the river bank is covered with blossoming ripe blossoms. In summer, some districts hold firework shows. This means there is something to enjoy in every season. From the top of the embankment, you can also see the buildings on the other side of the river. At night, some districts offer a beautiful view of the city lights in the Umeda area. Access is different from each district. For example, it takes about 10 minutes to walk to the Nishinakajima district from the Nishinakajima Minami Gate Station. Nishinakajima Minamigata Station on the Osaka Metro Midotsuji Line. The Juso area is about a 5-minute walk from the Juso station on the Hankyu Line. The Hirakata district is within walking distance from Hirakata Koen station on the Keihan Line. Using public translation is recommended. For detailed facility information, you can contact the Yodogawa River Park Moriguchi Service Center. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.